Today, back to our Campari drinks, we are mixing up the Jungle Bird. This is a very popular tiki drink and is a staple at a whole lot of bars. Let me show you how it's made. But before we do that, I've got to tame the jungle in my heart so I can gain a better vantage point, a bird's eye view. Today's victory shot is Jaeger. Hmm. 56 botanicals. I think I taste about 2. So the Jungle Bird was created in a bar in Malaysia in the 1970s. That bar was inside of a Hilton. It was called the Aviary Bar. It had a bit of a bird theme going on. I wonder if they served snacks when they were feeling a bit peckish. Anywho, the drink was served in a glass that was in the shape of a bird. Neat. Sadly, I don't have any glasses shaped like birds, so you'll have to suspend disbelief for the next 5 minutes or so. If you want, or like, I can make bird sounds while I drink it. But we'll just wait and see. A ½ ounce of Demerara simple syrup. 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Three-quarter ounces of Campari, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. I'm really saddened. This is our last video on Campari drinks. Oh well, you'll come back. 1½ ounces of dark rum. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Special reserve. No shit. Talk about brain freeze. And that's the Jungle Bird. Caw, 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 caw. Today's word of wisdom is foresight. Foresight is the ability to see things before it happens. It's not unlike fortune telling or fortune cookies, but it's generally more useful than both. Foresight is the ability to know what someone wants from you and the ability to know to get the hell out of Dodge before they ask it. I have always prided myself on the ability to see things coming before they hit me in the face. I could make bird sounds while I drink it. If you like, I can make...
Sorry.
No,
we're good.
No, we're going to do it. Caw, caw, Ga 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 ga.